Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's jump in. First up is e-commerce store setup. Many entrepreneurs want to sell products online, but don't know how to set up their stores. As an e-commerce expert, you'll help them launch their online businesses. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per store setup, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering user-friendly stores. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, businesses are looking for experts who can use these tools to create high-quality content quickly. As an AI content generator, you'll use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, social media posts, and more. Start by learning how to use AI tools effectively and how to edit the content to make it sound natural. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for AI-generated content, depending on the volume and quality. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content agencies. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the content creation world. Third is print-on-demand design. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, which are great for creating designs. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Fourth is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-written resume can make all the difference. As a resume writer, you'll help clients showcase their skills and experience in a way that stands out to employers. Start by learning about resume formats and industry-specific keywords. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on the level of expertise required. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to help others achieve their career goals. Finally, let's talk about data entry. Businesses often need help organizing and inputting data into systems, and that's where you come in. As a data entry specialist, you'll handle tasks like typing, spreadsheet management, and database updates. Start by learning tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which are widely used for data entry. Many clients pay $10 to $30 per hour, depending on the complexity of the task. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need help with data management. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose e-commerce store setup, AI content generation, print-on-demand design, resume writing, or data entry, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.